Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible phone and a DITO SIM that's been provisioned for VO LTE. First, update your phone OS and carrier settings so the VO LTE capability is recognized. This often arrives with the latest firmware or carrier profile. Once done, go to Mobile Network Settings, change Preferred Network to LTE or LTE/3G, and switch on the VO LTE or HD calling toggle. Make sure no conflicting dual SIM settings block voice over LTE. If needed, temporarily disable the second SIM before proceeding. Once VO LTE is enabled, refine the connection. Set your preferred network to LTE only or LTE/3G hybrid so voice can anchor on LTE. You should check the DITO APN and carrier settings. Incorrect APN can prevent IMS registration. If the phone has VO Wi-Fi enabled, temporarily disable it so the device prioritizes VO LTE during setup. After changing these, reboot the device to force the modem to re-register with the network. Then place a short test call to verify voice uses LTE rather than dropping to Now Verify. Make a call and watch for VO LTE or HD calling icons. That confirms voice is over LTE. If the call falls back to 3G or fails, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, reboot, and try again. If still unsuccessful, reset network settings or remove and reinsert the DITO SIM to force reprovisioning. As a final step, contact DITO support with your IMEI and SIM details. They can confirm provisioning. Key tip: perform network resets before escalating to support. It resolves most registration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.